This was our first snow day of the season, and we knew it was going to be a long one. When you live on a farm, the work doesn't stop just because it's cold.
It's a story we live. City to the country, this is where it begins.
The plan was simple: plow the driveway, clear the paths, get the hay in for the animals. But the ATV battery was dead. And without the ATV, nothing else on this list happens.
Good job, look at that. Wow. Good job. Good job. Good job. With that. So it's not falling on the people when you're driving. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Couldn't do it better myself. Me, I'm still shoveling. I'm still shoveling. So I'm just taking a break. It's a lot of shoveling.
Break.
Because there's a lot of shoveling. There's a lot of snow is heavy when you're shoveling off the ground. You're doing more of a wipe.
Now that I'm done cleaning off the truck, it's time to head to Tractor Supply. So we ran to Tractor Supply to grab a new battery and get back as fast as we could. As you saw, we brought the old battery with us just so that we could make sure we get the right one. And it still wasn't that easy to pick out. They have so many options with the battery, you're just not quite sure you're getting apples to apples. And yes, Sean dropped the battery. Enjoy the game at one.
Go birds.
Go Birds. Say it again. Go Birds.
Go birds.
Yes. And of course, we pay homage to the Eagles. Yes. Let's go Birds. Don't be a hater. You say? So check this out, guys. Why did we have to get the most complicated battery? Or maybe this is normal, but we didn't know.
This might be the kit.
Oh my goodness.
What is this?
I have no idea.
Read the instructions, but let me try the battery.
I love how Sean tells me to read the instructions. Oh, you gotta slide it in. You gotta open it up and slide it in.
Oh, okay.
Filler port. So pull that strip. Foil seal. Step one. Strip of caps used as battery plug.
So we're taking this off. Okay. And then what? I'm lifting this up.
Then these things You take the cap off, and then you gotta pour it just like that. See this? You gotta do it though, all at the same time.
Oh, okay. Now like this. Boom. Boom. Okay.
Okay, there we go. And we see the bubbles going through now, and we know it's filling up. Right? Of course, it wasn't as simple as just putting the battery in. We had to add the water and let the acid build, which meant more waiting. The instructions said 20 minutes. We decided to put the plow on the ATV next while we wait.
What's going on here? This is battery.
Because I guess it's acid.
Set alarm for 20 minutes.
Strip of caps, battery plug, press down. Okay. In the meantime, let's try to put the blade on, if we can do that.
Yeah. All right, we're done. Yeah.
So the dogs have been sitting in the house all morning, so it was time to give them a potty break, and it gave me a relief from all the chores. It's finally time to install our battery. Yay! We could finally get some real work done.
It's not screwing in. These screws are too little. These screws are too little.
They weren't too little before? Or because it's a new battery?
This battery, the hole might be thicker. Meaning this.
Can you believe this? Here we go with another problem. The new battery hole size for the screw, it's too big for the old screws. So now we have to look for screws. We're hoping we could find something in our garage. We didn't have screws that fit. We had to take a trip out to get some new screws.
These are all too big. Oh God, are you kidding me? Man, they don't come with screws neither. Nope.
We're finally back with the right screws. I really can't believe we had to go through all this just to put a new battery in the ATV. This is how I've been doing it. And when it's cold like this. OMG, I am so happy to hear that noise. Once everything was finally hooked up, we could start plowing. These paths have to be cleared so we can move feed and hay with the wheelbarrow. There's no skipping this part. And we have Sean the supervisor making sure everything's okay. While I was working on one area, Sean was clearing the paths around the house. On a day like this, you split up and you just keep moving. Divide and conquer. No matter what else goes wrong, the animals still need to eat. So next on the list was getting round bales in. Since I'm busy plowing, notice that Sean has to get off the tractor, open the gate by himself, and then pull the tractor in. I'm making note of this so you'll see what happened at the end of this video. And why did I say no matter what goes wrong? Take a look. By the time Sean gets over by the barn, you'll see that the tractor is smoking. There's an antifreeze leak. Not only is the tractor smoking, the horses got out from the back paddock. So you see Sean bringing them back in. It took a minute for us to catch them, but we got them. You hear us chuckling a little bit because Sean almost slipped and fell for the second time. The first time we did not get on video, unfortunately. Just we still had one more round bale to move. With the tractor out, we had to figure something else out. So we dragged it with the ATV. We started around 9 in the morning and we didn't get inside to warm up until after 5 o'clock. We were tired, worn out, frozen, but everything that needed to get done got done. And that's farm life. Thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
From the block to the barn, we make it our